Anthropic's multi-billion-dollar coding agent just got legally cloned. And right now, you are literally 5 minutes away from running an open-source version of Claude Code directly on your own machine. Last week, Anthropic accidentally leaked the 500,000-line source code for their enterprise AI agent. And guys, this is exactly why I told you in my last video not to download those malicious repositories or touch the leaked code. Running stolen enterprise software is a legal nightmare and a massive security risk. I told you to just master the blueprint of it instead. And that is exactly what the open source community did. Welcome back to Everyday AI School. Today we are looking at Claude Code, the fastest growing repository in the history of GitHub. It hit 100,000 stars almost overnight. A group of elite developers looked at the leaked code, memorized the multi-billion-dollar architecture, and then threw the code in the trash. Instead, they used AI to rewrite the entire logic from scratch in Rust and Python. They legally extracted an enterprise AI blueprint without breaking a single copyright law. Today, I am going to show you exactly how this heist was pulled off. Then, I'm going to give you the exact step-by-step setup so you can run this masterclass architecture on your computer. And the best part? Thanks to a brand new API wrapper, we can hook this up to OpenRouter or Ollama to run DeepSeek, Llama, or any open source model you want. Let's get into it. To understand why Anthropic can't sue these developers, you have to understand a legendary engineering tactic called a clean room design. Under US law, you can copyright source code, but you cannot copyright logic. A developer in South Korea named Sigrid Jin, who literally made Wall Street Journal headlines recently for being a mega power user and consuming a staggering 25 billion tokens, instead of copying Anthropic's illegal TypeScript files, his team just studied the concepts. They looked at how Claude Code manages memory, how it orchestrates tools, and how it compresses context. Then, they used an AI orchestration tool called Oh My Codex to completely rewrite those architectural concepts from scratch into a blazing fast, memory-safe Rust binary. AI was literally used to legally clone an AI. And because it's open source, you can run it right now. The community has fractured this project into two incredible paths. Path A is the blazing fast native Rust build. Path B uses an incredible community wrapper called OpenClaude that lets you use OpenRouter or free local models. For Path A, the official Rust build, you get maximum speed. The UltraWorkers/Claude Code repository is the main Rust port. It perfectly mimics the enterprise loop, but it does require your own Anthropic API key to function. Alright, let's get this set up. The main repository actually got temporarily locked down due to massive traffic, so we are going to use the official backup mirror. You need to follow these exact steps to get it running properly. Start by opening up an empty folder in VS Code, and then bring up your integrated terminal. First, we need to install Rust. Paste in the official Rust curl command. It will ping the server and download the installer. Just wait a few seconds for the prompt to pop up on your screen. When it asks for your installation options, just type 1 and hit enter to proceed with the standard default installation. Give it a moment to unpack and install those components. Once you see the message that says Rust is installed now, you are good to go. Now, let's grab the actual code. Run the git clone command using the Claude Code parity link. Once that finishes downloading, you need to navigate into it. Type cd claude-code-parity and hit enter. And then type cd rust to get into the main working directory. Now for the magic. Type cargo build -- release and hit enter. This is the big step. What it's doing right now is downloading all the necessary crates and compiling this massive architecture into a highly optimized, blazing fast executable right on your local machine. Because this is a clean room rewrite of an enterprise tool, it has a lot of dependencies to pull down to perfectly mimic that multi-billion-dollar orchestration loop. Alright, the build is done. Export your Anthropic key to your environment variables. It is time to launch. Type /target/release/claw and hit enter. And boom, there is the logo. We are officially in. The agent is now fully active. It is reading your workspace and it's waiting for your command. You can just type in your prompt right here, tell it exactly what you want to build, and watch this open source masterpiece work its magic directly in your editor. Now let's talk about the open source roadmap. Because if you are anything like me, your ultimate goal is to run this elite architecture without paying Anthropic a dime, using custom APIs or completely free local models through Ollama. The great news is that the open source community is already building API wrappers like OpenClaude to make exactly that happen. However, as a software engineer, I refuse to give you a half-baked tutorial. Wiring this architecture to local models right now takes some very specific configuration, and I am actively stress testing the absolute smoothest, bug-free way to do it. I want to make sure you don't run into any frustrating errors. I will be dropping that complete free local setup guide in my very next video. So if you want to run this enterprise blueprint with total freedom and 0 subscriptions, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you are notified the second it drops.